Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned pork and beans better. First, drain and rinse your canned beans thoroughly to reduce excess sodium and improve texture. Next, introduce a touch of sweetness with a tablespoon of brown sugar or maple syrup. This balances the savory notes beautifully. Finally, stir in about a half teaspoon of smoked paprika. It adds a wonderful smoky depth that transforms the dish. These simple steps lay a great foundation for a more flavorful meal. To further enhance the flavor, start by sautéing 1/4 cup of finely diced onion and a clove of minced garlic in a little oil until fragrant. This aromatic base provides a fantastic foundation. Then, for a rich umami kick, add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. It deepens the overall taste profile significantly. Don't forget to stir in 2 tablespoons of your preferred barbecue sauce. It introduces a delightful tang and sweetness that complements the beans perfectly. For an incredible textural and flavor upgrade, crisp up 3 slices of bacon, then crumble them directly into your beans. The smoky, salty crunch is irresistible. Next, introduce some freshness and a slight bite by stirring in 1/4 cup of finely diced bell peppers. Any color works well. Finally, for a touch of creamy richness, fold in about a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese just before serving. It melts beautifully and adds a comforting element. For a truly integrated flavor, consider baking your enhanced beans in an oven-safe dish at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. If you enjoy a bit of heat, a dash of your favorite hot sauce can provide a fantastic spicy kick. Remember, you can always adjust ingredients to your personal taste. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, upgraded pork and beans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.